Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete multiple rows here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, deleting multiple rows in Smartsheet is a straightforward process because if you feel like you need to eliminate duplicate or unnecessary entries to keep your sheet organized and efficient, or removing rows that are longer relevant to focus on current data, you have to select the sheet that you want to work with, and from there, just select the row that you wanted. For example, I wanted to delete the rows 2 and row 3, row 2 and row 3. All right. Now, before you can select the two of them, you need to press Control or for Windows and Command for Mac. Okay. So select all the rows that you wanted to delete, and all you're gonna do is right click on that, press the delete button. Right. There's gonna be a pop-up. Notice that deleting this row will also delete any rows indented beneath that. All right, that means it's gonna be a child that is assigned to a parent task. If you're okay with that, just click on delete. Now, if you are unsure about the deletion, just press the undo button or Control plus Z. Okay, just like that. Also, when you press the rows, you can simply click on delete, just like that. But the thing is, it will not delete the entire row. Instead, it deleted the data inside the row. See what I mean? Right? You really have to select the row again, and of course, delete the button. There's no easy shortcut for that. Now, if you wanted to be selective about it, like I want to delete the row 2, row 5, and row 8, you can also do so by right-clicking on that and be selective deletion, and click on the delete button. Now, getting rid of irrelevant data to simplify and improve the quality of your reports analysis would be a big help if you are working with multiple freelancers with their clients, or if you're a part of a big organization with a team members, you might want to do so. All right, but don't worry, because everything that you've done here can be undone by clicking on this button, so you're all set, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, you can always reduce clutter by removing rows, making your sheet easier to navigate and understand. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.